Hello, today we will guide you through how to import transactions into GnuCash. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can bring your bank or card activity into your books with confidence. Start by opening the GnuCash application. Give it a moment to load your existing file and make sure the correct book is open. If you've been working already, it's a good idea to save your file first so you have a clean starting point before importing. Once the app is ready, look toward the top left area of the screen for the main menu. You're aiming for the File menu in the classic menu bar. On some systems, it appears in the application window. On others, it shows at the very top of your screen. Either way, that's where you'll access the import tools. Click File to open the drop-down menu. You'll see options like creating a new file, opening recent files, and, importantly, import options. Hover for a second to ensure the menu is fully expanded so you can spot the right choice. Select Import from the File menu. This gathers all the import actions in one place, so you don't have to hunt around. It's the gateway to bringing in data from your bank or another financial app. Choose Import Transactions. GnuCash will launch an import wizard. This is where you'll point GnuCash to the bank file you've downloaded, such as OFX, QFX, QIF, or a properly formatted CSV. The wizard may ask you to pick the destination account, confirm the file type, and set basics like date format if you're using CSV. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure until it's done. Browse to your file and open it. Review the preview list and check that dates, amounts, and descriptions look right. If prompted, map payees or descriptions to expense or income accounts so future imports learn your preferences. Carefully confirm the account into which these transactions will be posted and verify the currency matches your book. If GnuCash detects duplicates, use the offered options to skip already entered items. When the wizard shows proposed matches, take a moment to prove or correct them. This is where you keep categories accurate. For CSV files, ensure the correct columns are assigned to date, description, debit, and credit, and that decimal separators are interpreted properly. When everything looks good, proceed to finish. GnuCash will import the transactions and display them in the account register. That's it. By opening GnuCash using the File menu, selecting Import, choosing Import Transactions, and completing the on-screen steps, you'll have your data neatly in place. If anything looks off, you can undo or adjust entries in the register right away. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.